Hello friends and knife nerds, this is the SRM Terrier, a new knife from SRM. They did a really nice job with this design. It's simple and it's nice. And now the steel you're getting, from what I understand with this, is 140 CR, and it's very similar to one of my favorites, S35 VN, from what they claim. And some of the testing that I've read from outside sources says, yeah, they test about the same. Now the HRC is 61 to 63, 62 being like the ideal number for 140 CR. And check it out. So what it is this is a really nice drop point with a nice high flat grind and cool swedge. So you got a drop point. But the 140 CR, from what I understand, is a carbon steel wrapped in a stainless steel, and then you have a laminate. Now you can see the San Mai look here, but that is just a laminate. But it looks cool, looks rugged, looks outdoorsy. And then you have similar to S35 VN steel underneath it, which is an awesome edge holder and a nice, reasonably tough stainless for a folder. So really nice looking knife, kind of traditional, handsome knife, like almost gentlemanly. Beautiful action. They use the ambi lock here. Now you don't have to worry about scratching this laminate because of the ambi lock. If you had a liner lock or a frame lock, you might get some scratching on the blade, but you're not gonna with the ambi lock, and scratching will be all from usage. So you got a nice chunky choil there for sharpening. I do not know how well it sharpens. If it's anything like S35, it will be good. Deep carry, reversible clip micarta, and I think there's on the scales, and I think there's 5 to 7 different models available with different blade colors and different micarta colors and even different scales, probably G10, maybe a carbon fiber somewhere in there. But really nice action on this thing. Let me get some practical information conveyed to you. Let's see. Yeah, I said that to sound like a jerk. We have 3.56 inches in length and looks like just a hair under 8. So that is a nice size knife. Fits very comfortably in my hand. As you can see, I wear extra large gloves. The action on point, no matter how you hold this thing, it is very comfortable. Very cool. I dig it, and I like that action. They're ambi lock. They usually place the thumb studs perfectly, which is a really nice thing to be able to rely on. I like the integral liners that they do. It's a really cool feature. It helps the strength and structure of the knife. And there's no relief done here to keep the weight down. This thing just flows and is what it is without trying way too hard. So let me get a weight here. I am curious. 3.33 ounces. That is a nice weight. Not too shabby at all. Beautiful knife. You can use code Knifenerd to get 10% off of your purchase at SRM Knives. I will have a link in the description that you can use of mine that will get you right there. And every time somebody uses that link, it helps the channel, and I greatly appreciate that. But I just want you guys to buy knives you want. If you would like, head on over and you can click on the link if you're interested. Let me show you a quick comparison. A couple other SRM knives that I have that may give you some perspective. One of my favorites, the Mirage, super cool design. And then the Enso, nice little gentlemanly front flipper. Those are they. So you can see it's really pretty well placed in the middle of those two. It is similarly sized to the Mirage as far as length, but width, the Mirage clearly has it beat. 140 CR steel. That is should be a nice touch I'm curious to see how long this edge does last as I beat on it a bit. That is the model right there. One of them is, I think that's the model, and that's the serial. But yeah, SRM, they got a United States distributive warehouse now, so you can get these a lot quicker than you used to be able to. So that is nice. And they make a really nice product. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like the knife? Do you not? Let's talk about it in the comments.